Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your check engine light is on and your scan tool shows code P0420, this video is for you. P0420 means your car's computer is detecting that the catalytic converter is not working as efficiently as it should. The most common causes are a failing catalytic converter, bad oxygen sensors, engine misfires that send unburned fuel into the exhaust, or even small exhaust leaks that throw off sensor readings. While P0420 usually doesn't cause immediate drivability problems, ignoring it can lead to worse fuel economy, a constant check engine light, failed emissions tests, and in some cases, permanent catalytic converter damage. Repair costs vary depending on the real cause. Replacing an oxygen sensor typically runs about $150 to $400. Fixing an exhaust leak can cost $100 to $500. And replacing a catalytic converter can easily reach $900 to $2,500 or more. Here's a quick tip. Don't assume the catalytic converter is bad just because you see P420. Many converters get replaced unnecessarily when the real issue is a sensor or misfire. One important thing to watch for is engine performance. If the car is running rough or misfiring, don't keep driving because that can destroy a good converter very quickly. If you want more simple explanations like this for common trouble codes, subscribe to the channel and drop the next code you want explained in the comments.